hey, I'm the cheapest barber in town, so you should choose me over your current barber only because I'm cheap. Hey, I do walk-ins. These other barbers doing appointments. I ain't really with that. I do walk-ins and I'm open all day and all night. I do prefer that you do that in the beginning of your career to get your skill up, to pull in a bunch of people to try to see which type of clients that you would want, get your name out there, get you a little money in your pocket so you can pay that booth rent in the beginning of your barber career. You ain't really making the good money yet. But if you want the good money, you're gonna have to put some policies in place. You're gonna have to start standing on business. You're gonna have to raise those prices, you're gonna have to raise the standard, you're gonna have to start doing appointments, all of that. If you keep trying to look so available and you keep looking like you are to be used, then that's just what the hell a lot of customers gonna do to you.
Hey man, shout out to Cold Cuts. Man, he is not lying. Now, this is an ultimate strategy in the beginning. I do not want to take away from the strategy because this is a strategy that works. Being the cheapest, being available, and taking everybody as they come in. That's typically how most of the guys in the industry even get started. That's how you get your name out there. So this strategy is a way to excel in the beginning. Now he's right on, 100% right. Eventually, after you put some time into this industry, you will have to change. You will have to put some policies in place. Man, the message I have to the new beginning barbers, get everybody that you can in your chair and get your skills up, get your practice up. But once you get to the point where it becomes overwhelming, I ain't talking about 4 or 5 haircuts. I'm talking about 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 10,000 haircuts. Then you realize that, hey, I'm really skilled at this. You need to start putting things in place. That's appointments. That's being serious about your time. That's being serious about your price. That's making sure that you give the best effort that you can every time and giving them an experience that they're not going to find from the cheap barber. This is some great game. I'm gonna put a link down to this content creator because he gave some great advice, and you already know we here. How do you feel about cheap barbers? There's a place for them. Is there not a place for them? You let me know down below. It's FadeMasterLos.